Hi, my name is Lara Nicosia, and I am the Outreach Librarian for History and Religion and Classics at the University of Rochester. This quick video will show you how to find primary sources online. If you need primary sources for a project or you're looking for archival materials, you'll definitely want to stick around. This video is for you. One way to find out which databases at U of R have primary source material is to go to the library's homepage and select Databases from the drop-down menu. Then click the magnifying glass to search. This will bring me to a list of all of the databases U of R subscribes to and that I can access from off campus. From the All Databases Types menu up top, you want to select Primary Source Material. You may also want to try Newspapers to see all of our historical newspaper collections. Another option is to return to the library's homepage and use the main search box to look for a person, event, or topic. For instance, I can search for Abigail Adams. After you search, you'll want to go to the Content Type filter on the left-hand side and select Archival Material. You may need to click the More option at the bottom of the list to see archival material as an option. Alternatively, you could use the publication date option to narrow your results to the time in which an event occurred. So here, for example, I've done a search for Gettysburg, and I've narrowed the publication date to items published in July 1863, the time the infamous battle occurred. Now I have options for newspaper articles, photographs, images, artwork, etc. that were all created around the time of the Battle of Gettysburg. For either method, be sure to use the Full Text Online option to make sure that you narrow your results to things that you have immediate access to even off campus. You can also find primary source materials using Google. One option is to type your search into Google followed by the word digital or digital collection. You can see here a search for Abigail Adams digital collection brought me back results such as the Adams Family Electronic Archive. Many museums and libraries make their digital collections available on two distinct platforms, Omeka and ContentDM. If you add either term to the end of your search, you may also find some results. Lastly, Google Books has many scanned historical documents. Once you search Google, select Books, and then use the date limit to narrow your search even further. A similar source to try would be the HathiTrust. Be sure to check out our tutorial specifically on the HathiTrust to learn more about how to search this resource. I hope this video helped you better understand how to find primary source materials online. Remember, the River Campus librarians are here to help, so if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can find the contact information for all of our outreach librarians on the library's homepage underneath the Get Help section. Thanks, and good luck with your research.